Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can set your status in a Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see it's a three line, left, right, left top corner on your screen. This one, simply click on that, and you can see Ragib. You can see all the friend here, but I don't have any mutual friend, that's why it's empty now. But if you want to click the three dot, you can see the option. This one, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see status. Here are 5 or 6 options, but you can set according to your mode. But if you set online, then your other people will be see you. And if you click on hidden, if you click just listening, so you can choose. Okay, so this time, for example, if you click just listening, then you can see just listening set it. And if you click hidden, then other people aren't able to see my status. If I keep it online, then other people will see me. So okay friend, this video was helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.